Peters here. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to set your Windows 11 computer so that it'll install apps from the Microsoft Store or from anywhere on the internet. Sometimes we want to get something that's not from the store. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's go jump ahead into it. And first, you have to right click down here on your apps menu. On the Windows, this is called the Windows Start menu. So first you'll right click the Windows Start menu. Then we're going to go to Settings. From Settings, we're going to look around and find Apps. And then we're going to look up here and you're going to see Advanced App Settings. We'll go to the Advanced App Settings, and it says choose where to get apps. A lot of times when you first start with Microsoft, it's going to be set for Microsoft Store only, and that's recommended because we know that those will work with your Windows computer. But oftentimes you want something that is not a Microsoft product or not just from the store. You need to look for it. For example, I notice I have Collage on here, and that's one that it's not going to be in the Microsoft Store. Let's don't update right now. So I'm going to say anywhere. Let me know if it's comparable. If there's one that's similar to it in the App Store, I can choose that. I can say I want any app anywhere, but warn me if I'm getting one that's not from the Microsoft Store. Again, you could just do Microsoft Store only. I'm going to feel pretty comfortable because I have Cylance Security on here. I'm going to just say, let me get the apps from anywhere. I don't want to fight with it. And then that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. And you're set and you're ready to go install. For example, you can search on the internet and you can find apps that perhaps you need to use. Again, the first one that comes to mind is Collage, also Canva. If you have a Canva account, you're going to want that on your Windows computer as well. So here's some things that you can do, and this is how you do it. Pretty straightforward. Thanks.